Hey Olga, quick tutorial here on editing text in Squarespace. Once you've logged in, you get to this page, which you've seen before. And also, as you know, in order to get into your site to make edits and changes, we got to click here on your sites. Once we click in there, we get several menu choices. In order to edit text, we want to go to Pages, since we'll be editing individual web pages. You can see that the list of pages here, what's called the main navigation, is the same as your menu items, also called navigation. Whichever page you want to edit, you can click on. We'll go ahead and click on Curatorial. Once we're at that page and it loads, we can hover over different elements in the page in order to edit it. For instance, we could hover over your name, which is called the site title. We could click Edit, make changes to that, or to the navigation. But in this case, editing text, we go hover over the sort of center of the page content, and we click on Edit to edit the page content. Once we're in that editing space, we can scroll down and go ahead and click the cursor on any text, and it will allow you to edit it just like most simple text editors. It is HTML, so you can't edit it as much as you might a Word document or something like that. But you can do a few things. You can bold, you can italicize, you can change the size. That's what this drop-down menu here is. Only a few different sizes. This text in here in the body, this is normal sized. And this text here, this is heading 2. Heading 3 is slightly bigger. If you wanted to paste text into Squarespace from some other document, you want to make sure you paste it as plain text. And you do that by clicking this little clipboard up here and pasting whatever it is in this field and clicking OK. What this does is removes the formatting from the text, which can end up as HTML code and can be very difficult to get rid of. If you paste something in and the spacing is funny and you can't change it, or the font is a different size and you can't change it, it's likely because it kept some of its leftover formatting from wherever it came from. You can see that the way Squarespace works here is that everything's in these blocks. This here is a gallery block. If you wanted to edit it, you can click on Edit. If you click on any of these little sort of dots here with the lines, you can add different blocks. If I click on one, you can see I've got lots of different blocks I could add. Sort of the most simple one is a text block, or an image would allow me to upload an image. Lots of other different kinds of images or galleries, other different blocks that you can add. Those are the simplest kind. So if you've deleted something by accident and you want to add something back in, you can always click on one of these little dot shapes over here and add a text block or some other kind of block that allows you to add content to the page. Different text may be in different blocks. You know, this is a different kind of image block with the overlay here. Whenever you see text, you can just click on it and allow you to edit it. Again, giving you these editing controls up here, regardless of whatever block it is on the page. This here was made into a bulleted list here. You can do bulleted or numbered lists. You can justify things or indent things. Also, pretty simple text editing. I'm sure you've seen before. Once you're done editing, whatever it is on the page, you always want to save it. If you've made some changes and things have gone awry and you're not sure to get back, you can always just click Cancel, and that will cancel whatever changes you might have made. Of course, save. That will take you back to the regular main navigation pages. We can click on another page and continue to edit text from there. That's it for editing text in Squarespace.